The only business account with no initial deposit, no fall below fee and free, unlimited giro and fast transactions. This is OCBC Business Banking. So basically today we are going to discuss each and everything regarding OCBC Business Banking. Basically OCBC Business Project is fully based on OCBC Bank. OCBC token is based on ERC20 blockchain. OCBC token will be listed on several exchanges soon. So here you can see each and every factor of this main platform. Right now, basically they already have had a free airdrop for the freebies. So stay tuned with us because I am going to share number of valuable things regarding OCBC platform. First of all, before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon and also follow me on all the social media where I every day share multiple number of things where you can basically get advantage if you are basically the holder, or if you are basically the trader of crypto, you will definitely get number of beneficiary news for number of beneficiary news regarding the crypto. So right now basically here you can see each and everything regarding the platform accounts and basic, you can say, the services which they are basically giving away at this time. Here you can see the business accounts basically in the Singapore dollar accounts, foreign currency accounts, business foreign account, the time deposits, and you can also see the business and cash flow services of them. Here you can see OCBC Pay Now Corporate managing and monitoring transactions, making payments, receiving payments. It means if you are going to use this platform, then you don't have to worry for anything. Even the loans, they are going to give you the loans. Here you can also see that one activity of them of OCBC at this time. They are offering the loans even. Here you can find each and everything. If you basically registered with them, you can easily find out number of things regarding the working capital, fixed asset, government assisted. Here you can find everything. Now I'm going to show you the basic thing, which is basically the airdrop ongoing of OCBC. First of all, you have to click on the start, then you can basically you can see over here that only with the basically signing up over here you can get up to 25 OCBC token entirely free. Secondly, you can see one thing, that you have to join their Telegram group, Telegram channel, Facebook and their Twitter account. And then you have to click on the airdrop, the airdrop tasks, and then you can see all the tasks, and then you have to click on the details. Then you can submit your each and every detail over here, and then after that one you can easily basically use your own referral link, which you can send to your any type of friend, and definitely if he or she is going to sign up with your referral link, you are going to get number of OCBC tokens directly from the platform. So here comes the entire platform of the OCBC. You must have to read this one platform. It is basically Singapore the based, you can say, platform. So definitely it will going to work at, you can say, the at very big, you can say, the main part in maximum next, you can say 1 to 2 months you can see this token OCBC on number of big exchanges like P2P, B2B and also on Binance exchange. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.